I mixed sweet potatoes with eggs and the result was amazing. Start by cutting 2 units of sweet potatoes. It's time to add some color to your recipe. Then transfer the chopped potatoes to a pan, add water until covered and cook for 10 minutes. The smell is already starting to fill the kitchen. After the cooking time, cut the potatoes into smaller sizes and transfer to a platter. This texture will make everything even more tasty.
Now, add water to the pan again, put 2 units of eggs and cook for 12 minutes. Let's make sure they are perfect. With the boiled and peeled eggs, also cut into smaller pieces and take to the tray. Look at the creaminess coming. Then, heat a frying pan with olive oil, add 150 g of bacon and fry until golden brown. The bacon will bring that irresistible taste. Take the fried bacon also to the platter. Now, all together in the party. Then cut 250 g of red cabbage and transfer to the tray where the other ingredients are. The cabbage will add crunchiness and a beautiful color. Add also half a unit of onion. Chives to taste, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, salt to taste and a tablespoon of lemon. So, can you feel the good smell? Mix everything very well. Look at this combination. It's mouth-watering. And here it is. Our wonderful sweet potato salad is ready to be served. An explosion of flavors that will make everyone want more. Did you like this recipe? Then please like and follow our page for more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next cooking adventure.